Have you ever cooked a recipe? Well, AI workflow is just like that. Let me tell you in next few seconds what exactly is AI workflow. So friends, while cooking a recipe, you always know what are the exact steps that you are going to take. So let's take a very simple example. Let's make a tea. So while making the tea, you would normally start by boiling the water. You would add some tea leaves and then some sugar, some milk, and yes, give it a good boil. Hey, who's gonna add the ginger? Yes, my friends, you can also add some ginger and that's your tea. So all the steps are predefined in a sequence. And that's exactly how AI workflow works. So let's say that you have loads of email at work. Now AI will read all these email, it will summarize all these emails and then it will try to extract different tasks for you and add to your calendar. And this calendar with the task and the assignees can be published to your entire team. You can use any communication channel, you can use Slack or Microsoft Teams. And boom, that is done. AI has done its work. No questions asked. So it works like a robot chef that can cook just one dish. But I'm sure that you really want to know how the AI makes the smart decisions. Join me in the next YouTube short where I will tell you what exactly are AI agents.